Today we are looking at the 2018 Cadillac Escalade in Black Raven. This full-size SUV is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these jet black leather seats in all three rows. These seats contain heating in the second row, as well as heating and ventilation in the front. The interior is finished in jet black and features microfiber suede accents. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for windshield wipers, high beams, and your gear shifter. In the center, you'll find your digital gauge cluster. Beyond this, you'll find your controls for heads-up display, as well as headlights and drivetrain selector. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. Power seat controls can be found on the sides of the driver and passenger seats. As we jump inside, we can take a look at the heads-up display, as well as the media and infotainment touchscreen in the center of the dash, compatible with Bluetooth, radio, and built-in navigation. Surrounding this screen are plenty of controls, featuring an adjustable gas and brake pedal, traction control, and more. Below, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as your settings for heated and ventilated seats in the front row. This control panel also can open, displaying extra storage. Below, you'll find a CD player. The center column features loads of room for storage, as well as 2 USB ports and 2 cup holders. The center console features more room for storage and 2 more USB ports. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these bright front headlights, as well as the chrome front grille. This Escalade sits on 22-inch wheels. As we take a look along the side, you'll notice chrome door handles, windowsills, and roof rails, as well as stationary assist steps. As we head to the back, you'll notice tinted rear windows. With the touch of a button, we can activate the power liftgate, showcasing our cargo area. On the right-hand side, you'll find power controls to lower the third and second row of seating, extending your cargo area. As we jump into the back, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, captain seating, climate control settings, as well as heated seat controls, and additional charging options. The third row of seating also offers cup holders and charging. Look up and you'll notice that beautiful power sunroof allowing sunlight into the vehicle. For ease of access, this second row of seats features a lever that, when pulled, allows the seat to be lowered. And that is the 2018 Cadillac Escalade in Black Raven, located at Wolfe, Cadillac, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.